Hi, my name is Savannah Shepherd, and I am a junior currently at Bay Path University, and I am majoring in business management. I currently work full time and have been for the past 5 years. Right now at Rivian as a registration and title operations leader for the East Coast, but I had my beginnings at Target and then transferred over to CarMax after 3 years, where I began in the automotive retail industry, which is now my specialty. My managerial experience in a completely new industry was very eye-opening. I was able to gain a lot of insight and acknowledge that I wanted to continue leading and be a manager, hence my major. And I most likely would like to stay in a retail career, but I'm open to other opportunities. I have a strong attention to detail, a passion for problem solving, and I love working in a team. And I'm also an expert when it comes to customer escalations. I have been dealing with customers for my entire career. I also thrive in a fast-paced work environment, specifically handling like office and administrative tasks. And my knowledge and skills are transferable, so I'm really looking for a position that allows me to showcase all my skills, but also continue to learn new things along the way. And if you know of any openings in a new or related field, please let me know. I think I'd be a fantastic and valuable add to any team, and I'd love to connect on LinkedIn to chat further.